In this video, I'll be teaching you a very useful tutorial on how to make icons bigger or smaller in Windows 11 Desktop and File Explorer. So without any further ado, let's begin. So let's begin on making our icons here at the desktop to either bigger or smaller. So here at the blank space where no specific icons or shortcuts is being selected, make a right click. Okay, and from here, you would get the first option called View. And when you click on this forward arrow, you would be able to open up a new window where you get to see a different sizes of icons, either large, medium, and small icons. And if you wanted to make your icons here at the desktop larger, click on this one. And in that way, you have just set the icons into larger. And if you would like to make that into medium size, then just make a right click here, go with View, and go with medium icons, and in that way you would be able to set it into medium one. And if you would like to set it into smaller, go with make a right click, go with view, and go with small icons, and in that way you would be able to set it into smaller ones. Okay, and also, if you would like to change the sizes of the icons on your File Explorer into the larger or either smaller, just navigate there, click on your File Explorer. You can also press Windows key and E key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up the File Explorer. So from here, just bring up a particular allocation. Let's say for example, in my case, music. And I have here a new file folder. And let me just create a new one so that I can show you the changes, okay? And let me just make this folder too. Okay. So in order to say change the sizes of this folder here in the File Explorer, just navigate here to the view, and here you can get an option extra large icons, medium icons, small icons. And if you would like to set it into extra large icons, click on this one and it would be extra larger. And if you would like to set it into large icons, it would be looking like this. And if you would like to set it into medium ones, then it would be look like this. And if you would like to go with small icons, then it would be smaller, okay? In my case, I'll prefer on going with medium icons, and it definitely would look like this, okay? So that's it. Hopefully you have learned something from this video. If yes, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.